How to fix Bumble dating app login problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you can try to force quit the app and restart the app again. So, force quit the Bumble app completely along with all the apps running in the background and reopen it again and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then go ahead and completely delete the Bumble app from your device and then reinstall the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Next, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. So, make sure you are using a Wi-Fi that's working fine. If not, you can switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and if you are using mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi. Also, if you are using a VPN and disable it and try again, as Bumble may restrict certain IP ranges. Also, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Make sure your iPhone has enough storage space, as running low on storage can prevent apps like Bumble from loading. You can also clear space by deleting unused apps, photos, or videos. This often resolves loading hangs. And if the issue is still not fixed, then you can try to log in a different device to see if the issue is phone specific. Also, check the Bumble server status, as if the server status is down, the app might not work either. And lastly, if nothing helps you fix your issue, then you can try to contact Bumble support team to help you further fix the issue. So, this is how you can fix Bumble dating app login problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.